In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag contacts, deals, and organizations in Pipedrive. Let's dive right in and ensure you can manage your contacts and deals more efficiently using this powerful tool. First, head over to your web browser and navigate to pipedrive.com. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of your screen and you should see the login button. Give it a click and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Pipedrive account. This step is crucial for ensuring your account's security, so be careful to type in your credentials accurately. Once done, hit the login button. Remember, if you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it through your email. With these steps, you should now find yourself on the Pipedrive dashboard ready to manage your deals. Next, we want to access the deals section. On the menu, you'll see different options like mail, timeline, and of course deals. Click on deals to proceed. You'll now see a list of all your current deals displayed. Choose a lead that you'd like to tag by clicking on it. This will open up more detailed information about that particular lead and provide various options for organizing and enhancing your interaction with them. In this section, find and click on Add Labels. This function allows you to categorize or tag your leads for easy recognition and sorting. When you click it, you'll see any existing labels on your account. If the label you desire is available, simply select it from the list. This will instantly tag your lead or contact with the label you select. If you need a new label that better fits your categorization needs, you can click on Add Label. This option allows you to type in the name of a new label that you'd like to create. Be descriptive and concise, since labels are meant to help you sort and find information quickly. After typing in your new label, don't forget to click on Save. This ensures that your new label is created and immediately associated with your selected lead or contact. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to tag contacts, deals, and organizations within Pipedrive. Efficiently using labels not only helps you stay organized, but also enhances your productivity by making data retrieval quicker and easier. Thanks for